Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss NCERT CBSE State Sound Class 8 Lecture 1. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's topic NCERT CBSE State Sound Chapter Class 8. Okay, we'll go to the today's topic Sound Chapter. Now we'll go to today's topic Sound. Now we'll go to first introduction. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy which causes sensation of hearing. Sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Example, tuning fork. This is a picture of the tuning fork. So in this we are denoting the parts. This is known as stem. These two are the prongs. Whenever we are taking the tuning fork and taking the with the help of rubber hammer, we are striking the rubber with the rubber hammer to the prongs of this tuning fork, and then it vibrates. So here this is the picture. Here you are observing the vibrations. Okay, so what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which causes sensation of hearing. Sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Example, tuning fork. This is the picture of the tuning fork. These two are the prongs, and this is the we are calling as a part of this stem. Whenever we are taking the hammer and we are exciting and we are striking this hammer to the prongs of the tuning fork, then it vibrates. So whenever we are vibrating this tuning fork, then we can able to hear the sound. So tuning fork is used to produce vibrations. So vibrating bodies produce sound. Okay, next, these are the musical instruments which are producing the vibrations. This is violin and sitar, and we are see the pictures carefully. This is guitar and the other one is flute. These are the musical instruments. Whenever we are striking or plucking the strings of these instruments, then they will produce vibrations. That vibrations produce sound. This is the violin. In this violin, whenever we are plucking the strings of this violin, it produces vibrations. Those vibrations produce sound. These are all the different types of the musical instruments: violin, sitar, flute, guitar. Next we will go to the activity. Sound is produced by vibrating body. See this figure carefully. Take a metal plate or a shallow frying pan. Hang it at a convenient place in such a way that it does not touch any wall. Now strike it with a stick. Touch the plate or pan gently with your finger. See this picture carefully. Here a boy is touching or striking the pan. This pan is either made up of a metal you can take, or a shallow frying pan. This is a pan is suspended from the support with the help of a thread, or it does not touching any wall. So take a metal plate or a shallow frying pan. Hang it at a convenient place. See here hanging in such a way that it does not touch any wall. It does not touch the any wall. Is it touches? No, it is not touching any wall. Simply it is suspended. So now strike it with a stick. See, this boy is holding a stick and striking. Touch the plate or pan gently with your finger. Now after striking, what do you observe? It is producing vibrations. So again strike the plate with the stick and hold it tightly with your hands. Immediately after striking, touch the plate after it stops and it stops producing sound. If you are striking again the plate with the stick and hold it tightly with your hands, immediately after striking, what do you observe? It starts vibrations and the vibrations produce sound. Touch the plate after it stops producing sound. Okay. So after vibrations and after completion of vibrations, then it does not producing any sound. Whenever it is producing vibrations, then it gives some sound. So sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Next we will go to the next activity, that is, now see here, take a rubber band, put it around the longer side of a pencil box. Insert two pencils between the box and stretched rubber. Now plug the rubber band somewhere in the middle. See the picture here, we are taking the box and the two pencils. We have to take a rubber band and we have to put it around the box, and corners we have to place two pencils, and in the middle by using the hand we have to stretch it. And then what do you observe? The to and fro or back and forth motion of an object is termed as vibration. So it's whenever we are stretching, it starts vibrations to and fro or back or forth. This complete motion, when an object moves to and fro or back or forth, of motion of an object is termed as vibration. When a tightly stretched band is plucked, it vibrates and produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. Okay. Here, this is the activity. We are producing the vibrations by using the rubber band. Whenever we are stretching the rubber band, it starts vibration and it produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. Okay. So in this session we conclude that sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Thanks for watching this video.